Hello. Yeah, so I'm recording this again because my microphone didn't work last time. So we're gonna do it again. So let's just hope this microphone is working this time. I think it is. So you can hear me. All right. So I'm gonna go over what happened and how we got this meteoric rise to the upside very quick. So this is really good information for anyone that's interested. So what happened was here you could see that CVD is a measure, and this is the perpetual chart. So this would be a good benchmark. This is the perpetual chart. What we saw was a decrease in CVD, which is a cumulative volume delta. As CVD goes down, that means more shorts are opening. Cumulative, that are more an increase in shorts basically. And what does the market do when it sees an increase in the number of shorts? It hates it. It bloody hates it. I mean, the market makers want to exploit that. Okay. I said during New York Open in the Discord or something, which was, for 2:30, I'm seeing a lot of bullish divergences here, which means higher highs on price, lower lows on CVD, more shorts opening as price is rising. We've got a nice pump here, yeah, little tiny pump, came down again, even more shorts opened at the lows, even more shorts opened at the lows. And of course, what does price do? It comes up and liquidates them all. But as price was rising, more longs were, of course, longing. More longs were longing into these highs. And yeah, what happened? Like hundreds of billions of liquidations, billions of short liquidations, billions of long liquidations as longs opened up at these highs. Cumulative volume delta, positive 900 and almost a billion in long liquidations on this chart alone, on the Bybit chart. Billions of dollars, not billions of Bitcoin. So yeah, we came down and we tested this level, which I'm going to show you. It's absolutely amazing. It is absolutely fantastic. Like, it's just beautiful to see where we bounce from. And now we're just consolidating between two anchored VWAPs as it stands. But I'm going to show you where we bounce from on the Bitcoin chart. If I go to the 15, or yeah, let's just go on the 1 hour, maybe even the 4 hour to make it easier. Yeah. Yeah, it's bloody beautiful, isn't it? When we got to here, okay, when we got to around this area, I was saying if we dropped from here, we would not bounce and we'd probably go straight through because it didn't align with another very important resistance. So, like, if price had just come here, it wouldn't have aligned with this monthly naked point of control, which is a very important resistance level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that right now, right here. If I take the fixed range volume profile, pull it from the beginning of November, November the 1st, yeah, to December the 1st. Came in at 91,775. I'd said that there was a there was a support there at 91,775. Just call it the monthly for the time being. Yeah, so if price had come down here, there's a huge gap in price. But price rose and came down and aligned very well with that monthly naked point of control, untouched. So it really did offer a beautiful area for a long. This was a failed auction because there were so many longs opening. So I'm going to show you here in the price. Welcome to the Bitcoin price. I'm going to look at the amount of longs that were opening because it's absolutely fascinating. It truly is. Before the drop. If we look at the delta, okay, as we came into this 100k level, So as we came into the 100k level, there were billions of longs opening. So look at the delta. This is the difference in price, the difference in the amount of longs and the amount of shorts. 61 million longs. Okay, 6.7, 4.4, 8.4, 28.3, 32 million longs opening at these highs. Never, I would never long at the highs. Okay, 33 million, 48.6. 48.6. This was the one. This was the one. The 63.1 million longs opening at this rise to absolutely get wrecked. Absolutely get wrecked. Liquidated. Down. Oh, hold on. That's better. Damn. That would have sucked for them. Okay. But again, they never learn. They never listen. What happened? They shorted. Delta, negative. I mean, that could just be longs closing their positions and getting liquidated, but at the same time, it would have been, you know, as you can see, the black trap shorts right at the low. Imagine you shorted right there. That would suck. That would fucking suck. But people do that. People follow the trend. But they, you know, most good traders, they will long here because it was at a very, very important support. I'm going to show you another really cool confluence that it had. This is a new session. Okay. So for now, we're just in this sort of this zone. I'm going to have a look at the CVD to see what's happening here. I don't think there's much happening. Let's have a look. Not really. I mean, there's a decrease in CVD, and there's new higher highs being formed. Kind of want to see a bigger drop on the CVD for there to be a higher rise. So for now, the daily VWAP or the session VWAP is acting as resistance for the time being. But of course, people love to short the drop and love to long at the top. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, let me delete that and show you where we are right now. Actually, there's one more thing I wanted to show you because this is bloody amazing. This is bloody amazing. I was talking about fib resistance fans. I used them in the last bull run because they're so useful. So this is the uptrend from the beginning of the uptrend to the break point of the uptrend. I mean, come on, to the exact is just something of like, it's a spectacle to say the least, isn't it? It actually is. So that's the 618 speed resistance fan coming in to the exact dollar. Should be even more exact than that. 1 second. Yeah, there we go. To the exact dollar. Very useful during bull runs, and I just love to use them in general. Okay, so for the time being, I showed you yesterday that we were consolidating between two VWAPs to see the next sign of strength or the sign of weakness. What we needed to do was to see a decisive break above or below. We did get a decisive break above the uptrend anchored VWAP back into the... Oh, what's going on here then? Don't want that. We want the anchored VWAP. There we go. Yeah, so price was consolidating, like making a decision to see whether there was a sign of strength or there was a sign of weakness. Okay. Lovely. See whether there was a sign of strength or a sign of weakness. We got that. However, we rejected from this area, which I'm going to show you right here. Let me just put a parallel channel in. We got acceptance back into this, which was pretty nice. Okay, so that's 645. Let's make this as accurate as we possibly can. I hate these, man. I need to get a... Fuck it. There we go. That'll do. So yeah, we got a beautiful entry back in and another failed auction. But this, you know, gets smaller and smaller as we condense upwards and form higher highs and higher lows. Where we rejected from here was the point of control of the range, the previous range. So if I just put that in there, and put in template, volume, come on now, beautiful. Yeah, we rejected really nicely from there. I said for now, we found resistance. We're up against this previous range point of control, which has previously been very, very strong support or resistance. So it's something definitely to be aware of. It's not something to obviously look at for the next time that we touch, because we've already tapped it. So therefore it's, you know, no longer interesting to us. It looks like we're about to reclaim this VWAP, and I've said over the weekend what I would love to see is a, you know, let me just delete this because this is what I did last. I'd love to open here at the highs, come down, partially fill this gap there for another big old pump to the upside. And what I would eventually like to see is volume dropping off. I'll show you this on a, I mean, there's a couple of scenarios. Okay, I'm going to run through them all. I'm going to come back in here. Volume begins to drop off. Forming continuously before a huge move to the downside. Did we get that? Did we get it? Did we get it? No, we didn't. Okay. So yeah, that's where I wanted to come down to, you know. And if we do go down there, I keep saying that, you know, what would be amazing, as in the last bull run, what would be great would if we could just touch the top of that, touch the top of the gap, fill it partially before moving higher. But the same with this. So that's another scenario. That is another scenario to look at on the CME chart. Again, for now, we're just consolidating between those thingies over there. Those VWAPs. So I might as well, yeah, I might as well just show you this, the bearish scenario. Okay, take this off linear. This is a possible, doesn't have to happen. It's a possibility. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It'd be very cool though, and it would make a lot of people very bearish. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. If we do get this 100k fake out, Michael Saylor has already had his party at 100k. Everyone was there, and you know, party's now over because it's below 100k. I mean, this is just a possibility. Like I'm obviously not opening. I just want to make you aware of that, you know, because as it stands, we are fucking bullish as hell. Still making those high highs, those high lows, high highs, high lows. Possibility, you know, is that's horrible. Let me do that again. Possibility is we just do this. I don't know. You know, as if we fill that gap at 80. If we fill that gap at 80k on the CME chart, it's a difficult one, really is. It would fuck over so many retail people though. That's the thing. I don't know. It's something to be aware of. It. I think it's something that might happen, but for the time being, we're just bullish. Okay. I keep saying this. We're bullish. We're making higher highs. We're making higher lows. This is a nominal lower low. You know, it's just a liquidity grab, in my opinion. It's a swing failure pattern, taking out all of those longs, and maybe these longs that haven't even closed yet. Maybe these longs that haven't taken any profit. Maybe taking care of them, and they put their stop loss there or something, and you know. But as I say, for the time being, this is incredibly bullish. There is no doubt about it. There's no doubt about it. I think I was going to show, I was going to show you this long position, which is actually a really, really nice one. This could be a beautiful long because it aligns with I mean, this is a bit of a, that's a bit of a questionable pull right there, because it's not really a low. It's more of a. But I'm going to take it anyway. Okay, I'm pulling that one anyway, just because I want to. Okay, that's the golden pocket. It aligns with this. It also aligns with the point of control of the range, maybe even the uptrend more so. So that would be a really nice long, a really nice one. I'd take that. Okay. Okay, so I think that's it for Bitcoin. Everything that's happened, failed auction, anchored VWAP. Unreal. Unreal. Nobody uses speed resistance fans, which is why it works so well. The tool that is, the tool that is being used least, uptrend speed fan. The tool that's being used least is often the most successful. That's to the exact fucking dollar. Like, come on. Can you get more exact than that? No, you can't. Okay, I used them last bull run. They work extremely well. 618 I mean, the 618 is the only thing that I would use. But I mean, if we put in the 0.5, for example, it does show some sort of confluence. But I'm just not interested in that. I'm only looking for decisive places where you could, the decisive place is the golden pot, is the 618, okay, or the golden pocket, whatever you want to call it. That's where decisions are made in the market, even if they're surpassed even slightly. For example, I mean, I could show you this. Where's this one? So this is the uptrend, bam. I mean, that's perfect. That one is literally perfect. Okay, and this is why I use the Bybit chart, because it works, and it's not fake. Okay, be very, very careful about using Binance. They have washed volume. I think it's fake. I'll show you an example why you probably shouldn't use it. I'll pull a monthly VWAP, okay? I think I've already got the chart where it shows the, so I think I've already pulled this monthly VWAP, but I'm going to show you again just for, demonstrative purposes. I think it's fake as fuck. I would never use it. This is the Binance chart. Stay well away. Stay well away. And here's why. Yeah? Same chart. I mean, same asset. same asset. What the fuck? Anchored VWAP off. What even is this? Yes, you may have a a volumetric point of control here, but this is not right. That is fake as fuck. What was more accurate? What was more accurate? The Bybit chart or this bollocks? To be honest, I'll have a look at Coinbase as well. Because Coinbase I really trust and I really like Coinbase because Coinbase does work, as far as I know. No, apparently it doesn't. I trust Coinbase because it just seems that they don't have the same thing either. Okay, so let's just go with Bybit. I trust him. I trust him because, I mean, come on. It just doesn't happen. Uptrend, anchored VWAP. But it does happen. And perfect volume, especially on EXO charts. You can see it amazingly. Look, we've just rejected from this daily VWAP. This is going to be the bit. This is going to be the one. This session VWAP from the start of the day, which would be pulled from about 000 in the day, which we can do just now. The session VWAP. Okay, we'll just do this and then we'll go to have a look at other altcoins as well. So yeah, that was the session VWAP. Just hide that for a second. Perfect. I love VWAPs. They are just literally the best. Let's have a look at some other altcoins. So we've got Doge, which I am in a long in at as we stand. I think this is finally a decisive break that we've had within this range we've been in for the past. We've been in this one since the beginning of November, or like the very start of November. So almost a month consolidating within this parallel channel. Price is condensing upwards. It's soon there's going to be a break of this, in my opinion. Let's look for possible longs. I think they've already been had. Possible longs have already been had. Yeah. So no longs on that one. So look at another one. I mean, I've got a really good one for. See, obviously this one hasn't or never would hit, but it's just so far away. It's only in the center of the channel. This is a bloody huge channel, anyways. Probably a bit too big, but anyway. This is a really nice trade. Possibly. Hide this. Maybe. No. Uptrend. Yeah, I don't know. Does it look right? This is a naked point of control from yesterday. Does it look right if it was to just go up from here? No, it doesn't. It doesn't look right. If price was to just come down here, go up here, that does not look right to me. It may look right to other people, but I don't understand why. To me, look, price came down here, that looks like it would work. Maybe not work, but like, if you look at I don't know how the best way to explain this would be. I guess if you were to look at this chart right now, and the price came down into here. If you're visualizing ahead, if you're trying to think ahead and see how price would look, this is probably what you should do before taking a trade. Just think, if price was to come down here, would that look right from the candlestick pattern? To me, yes, it would. Yeah. This, for me, just get the brush to go up from here. Just doesn't. It just doesn't look right. simple as a legend for pointing this one out, though. It's very, very bullish chart. High highs, high lows, you know, continuous. Whether there will be a decisive break of that is a different story, but whether there will be a downtrend soon, I just don't think there will be. I think you'd be looking at least 11 for this one. So, to me, yeah, I just don't think you can go up from here. Yes, you could look at the value area high, which I think I've already put in here. The value area high. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. I'll put the stop a little bit bigger then. Maybe lower my entry. Yeah, I'll lower my entry there. For Rune. Okay, so there's that. There's another one, Beam again. Yeah, not the best because it's too far away now for the time being. If I was to give another one though, it would be right here. Again, so simple, like it's just so easy. All you've got to do is this. And then you look at the fixed range from here to here. Oh man, god damn it. Yeah, see, I mean, perfect respect every point of control, but I just don't think it's going to hold. Again, just looking at the price, there are some untested highs there. So yeah, actually that could go up. H bar, where are you? There. Yeah. Lower low. First lower low in a long time. That's just the Coinbase chart there. If I was to compare that to the buy bit, H bar, USD, perpetual. Yeah, lower low. Hold on, was that perfect? 1-to-1. Okay, so that means to me that was an ABC. ABC. Okay, so we're probably going to come down a little bit further for that one. I can put in a daily. I'm going to get rid of all of this shite because it's very confusing. Daily candle closes anywhere? Is this one unconfirmed? This one's been confirmed. Week. Nope. Of course not. Month. Of course not. No. Okay, so we'll look back to daily. Yeah. Nothing really there. The next daily would be here. That's 17, but I don't think price will come down to there. For the time being, we're in a nice little range here. Again, I'll show you the range. Parallel channel. 319.89. Can never get this one ever because my bloody Mac. There we go. So like that's, again, it's bloody perfect really, isn't it? So like you come up, form this channel here, you know, swing failure pattern the channel. Beautiful. Price currently consolidating within the center of the channel, found support, center of the channel. So this potentially is a long. Is it? No. No, it's not. No, it is not. Not for the time being. I'm going to take that from the uptrend. There we go. Golden pocket. I mean, you know this. You know the drill. You know the drill. Golden pocket, anchored VWAP, all aligns, long trade, or short trade if we're coming from a downtrend perspective. You know, for example, we probably are finding resistance here with the anchored VWAP. That wasn't a nice pull, was it? There we go. Resistance. Perfect. Perfect touch. So yeah, we are probably in a position where we are, again, range bound between one anchor. I'm probably going to expect that to get reclaimed anytime soon. Between one anchor VWAP and the other. Oh, come on. We're going to reclaim that, or we're going to reject. To me, it seems like we're going to reclaim it. Dogecoin's doing well. So yeah, back to where we were. We looked at Rune, Beam, H bar. Obviously, that's fucking funny. Yeah, fucking hell. Right, got AVAX. Never gonna hit that, is it? 35. I mean, it will eventually, but not. I don't know. I'll have to do more analysis on that one another time. Dot. Not interested, not trading one. ADA could be good here. Yeah, I'm kind of expecting ADA to just break out pretty soon. Because again, it's just forming that tightening of price, like in a triangle or something. A lot of people would view this as a possible, well, I'm thinking, you know, a possible, very skewed. I mean, this is what most of the market might be looking at. And to me, you know, if most of the market is looking at this, they're probably going to be shorting the fuck out of it when we make a decisive breakout of it. Okay. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to end the stream there. Big thanks to everyone. This is for the Rocky Outcrop Discord. So, yeah, there's so much to learn in there. You can become so good. You should join the course. I haven't joined it because I've been doing this for fucking 7 years, or nearly a decade, let's just say. Not specifically a decade, but a long time. Oh, hold on, my girlfriend's calling me. Let's put that away. But I'm trying to contribute to the channel in as best way as I possibly can. I've been making, you know, files and stuff of how to trade and what to trade and you know, cheat sheets. So if you do join that paid side, I mean, I owe so much to Rocky and Jamie for you know, stocks, because I only used to trade crypto. I'd never used to trade stocks. Stocks, it's new to me. I've never really wanted to trade them because I'm just like, yeah, there's no money to be made. But actually, there is a lot of money to be made in trading stocks, and it's very, very similar to crypto. You know, you could turn. Let's make it realistic. If you could turn $100 or pounds into 10,000, pretty easy. Yeah, you could turn. Same with crypto. Same with crypto. But again, that can't be made in one day. And I want to reiterate that, because this is where I've lost hundreds and hundreds of thousands of pounds trading in the very beginning of when I traded. I lost everything. This was a long time ago, during the first bull run. I just decided to just keep shorting and longing, and I just kept adding into it. I put my life savings into it and got liquidated. But it's made me a better person, you know, just in general. Losing that amount of money really changes your life. I'm somebody who really sticks to it. I don't quit. I stick to it, and I'm dedicated, and I'm disciplined now, and I know about risk management. That alone was enough to make me realize, fuck me, I need to change my risk management and make it. I need to change my risk management And I can't keep, when I'm wrong and when I'm invalidated, that's when I close my trade. I don't wait around, you know, like a £500 loss is better than a 20 grand loss, let's just say, okay? And, you know, in simple terms, a $50 loss is worth more than is much better than a, let's just say, 500, for example. Oh, here we go, being called again. So yeah, that's that. You know, stick to it. You will make a lot of money. I can promise you that. Stick to it and trade the charts. Trade your plan. Especially if it gets invalidated, close it. If you can see your trade working and you're in good profit, you've taken profit, remember to always pay yourself. Always pay yourself. Otherwise, you're not a real trader. You're not a real trader if you don't pay yourself. Take profit along the way. Move your stop loss to break even. Always have a stop loss. Always have a stop loss. I don't want to sound condescending. It just comes from a place of, you know, experience. I've been doing this for almost 10 years. You know, buying and selling crypto. Not very, very successfully in the beginning years, but much, much more successfully in the past couple of years. So yeah, it does take time. But if you join the Rocky Outcrops, channel and the school, I think it is called, yeah. I've seen traders go from like, fuck me, they are amazing. You know, within the space of 2 months. Within the space of 2 months, they become really accomplished traders. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. I'm going to end it there. Yeah, good luck to everyone. I hope you're all making shit ton of money. So it's easy to make money in this market as long as you trade your plan and you follow your plan. Right, big love. Bye.